Welcome back. We are on another adventure. This is the Dolly Varden Campground out Swanson River Road. And as you can see, they've done a bunch of renovation, and it's only been open for a couple months this year. So as you can see, I had to do a little blocking because it's not exactly level here, but this is where we're going to camp tonight. Hopefully the bugs don't get too bad. They're already a little worse than I was hoping. But yeah, this is where we're going to camp tonight. So let's get the camp set up and we'll get out some chairs and relax. Building us a campfire. It's 74 degrees Fahrenheit and beautiful. We'll take it. So I got the camera set up downwind of the smoke, so we'll have to fix that. I'll record here in a minute. I'm gonna cook some hot dogs and just relax. Alright, we got the campfire going. Hot dogs on the stick. Now it's time to cook them. I'm gonna sit right here. Cook me some hot dogs. Yeah, this is roughing it Alaska style. Nice campfire rings so far. And if you're wondering, I got a 5-gallon bucket of water right here full. Lake's right there. It rained a couple days ago, so not really much fire danger right now. As I turn this camera off, I'm going to turn the music back on though. Just sitting here listening to some music, watching the wind blow. Trying to enjoy as many of these as I can before they're all gone. Then we'll be doing this in the snow. My hot dog's swelling up already. Not gonna take long for them to get done, that's for sure. And a big old split in that one already on both sides. Anyhow, bring you over a little closer. There you go. My hot dogs are done. I'm gonna eat up. I'm gonna eat with my fingers, because why not? Jalapeno cheddar dogs, yummy. You'll have to let me know in the comments where you guys want to go next. This is just outside Sterling, probably 20 miles or so off the road. There's a couple people camped on this campground, but it's pretty much wide open. It's first come, first serve. Doesn't cost anything to camp here. They just renovated it this spring, so pretty nice setup. They put new picnic tables in, new fire rings, did a bunch of dirt work back here, added a whole bunch of camp spots. So props to them and all their hard work. It's going to be a beautiful spot this winter for sure. Don't know how many 75-degree days we've got ahead of us, but it probably won't be many. It's been pretty chilly in the mornings, in the mid-40s, so definitely fall is coming quicker than I want it to. I got a lot of projects. I still need to wrap up on the Vanagon, but the big one being the rear brakes. I want to get those disc brakes put on before winter. And track down my oil leak. I've got an oil leak. It only leaks when it's cold, so I'm not quite sure what's going on there, and it might be a pushrod tube, not 100% sure. But I'll let you know when I find it. I haven't found it yet. Anyhow, I'm gonna sit here and eat and listen to some music. Enjoy this afternoon. So, sitting here by the campfire, as you can clearly see, got my ice pack on my knee, just enjoying the evening. It is a beautiful evening. I was kind of hoping the sun was going to stick around a little longer. It's dipped below the tree line here. Unfortunately, I'm down the hill, so it is what it is. The lake's beautiful. Campfire is nice and warm. Bugs were getting a little bad, so I just threw some more wood in the fire. But yeah, I got all the creature comforts at home. I got my internet with me. Got my phone. Got music. Got my ice pack out of my fridge. Hey, this is pretty rough. Of course, you know, when home's about 55 feet away, not really a long trip to get home, but definitely enjoying this evening. So get out and go camping. I want to see some video. Big old dragonfly. Wow, that's a big one. I don't think I've ever seen a dragonfly that big. Anyhow, I'm going to sit here, get back to listening to some music and watching the campfire. Temperature's going down a little bit, but got a nice hot campfire to stand by. Alright, there's the campfire. Walk out and show you the lake now that the sun's not glaring on it anymore. This is Dolly Varden Lake. Hopefully it's visible, but beautiful place. I'm just getting ready to put this fire out, and I'm gonna go get in the Vanagon here shortly. It's getting to be pretty late, but anyhow, just sitting here looking out the window at the lake, popping some popcorn on my Stoke Voltaics Joule, and I'm gonna turn the TV on and watch a movie here and watch this sunset progress. So, sitting here, started a movie, just kind of watching out the window here. Got me some fresh popcorn, just finished popping. Nice and fluffy. I forgot how good popcorn can be when it's not out of a microwave. Anyhow, I'm gonna kick back, watch this movie, and see if sunset happens or not. Well, good morning. This is what I woke up to. A beautiful lake view. Absolutely no wind at the moment. Got everything packed up, kind of put away. Got my spare firewood. I did bring my solo stove. Didn't need it. I wasn't quite sure where I was camping last night until I got here. But that's part of the fun of living on the fly. You can just, wherever you camp is where you camp. But anyhow, I'm gonna head back to town. I've got a doctor's appointment first thing this morning, so I'm gonna head back into town. So thanks for coming along, and stand by, lots more coming. We're gonna send you high in the sky.